Have you ever wondered how to turn your dreams into streams of income, that is? It's a question that might just change your life. Welcome to the journey of simple steps to financial freedom. Making money easily might sound like a pipe dream, but it can become a reality with the right mindset, strategic steps, and a touch of creativity. The first step is to redefine your understanding of easy. Making money easily doesn't mean making money without effort. It means making money smartly, leveraging your skills, knowledge, and resources to create wealth. The second step is to identify your unique skills and passions. Are you a whiz at web design? Do you have a knack for knitting? Whatever your talents, there's a market out there waiting to pay for them. Step 3 involves turning your skills into saleable products or services. This could be as simple as setting up a freelance profile on a platform like Upwork, or as complex as starting your own e-commerce business. The key is to find a platform that aligns with your strengths and market demand. Step 4 is all about marketing. In the digital age, marketing is no longer limited to billboards or television ads. Social media, email newsletters, and content marketing are all powerful tools that can help you reach your target audience. Remember, even the best products or services won't sell if people don't know about them. The fifth and final step is to keep learning and adapting. The world is changing faster than ever, and those who can keep up with these changes are the ones who will thrive. Always be on the lookout for new opportunities, tools, and strategies that can help you grow your business and increase your income. In conclusion, making money easily is about more than just working hard. It's about working smart. It's about identifying your unique skills and passions, turning them into saleable products or services, marketing them effectively, and constantly learning and adapting to keep up with the ever-changing world. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a lot of strategic thinking. But with these simple steps, you're well on your way to turning your dreams into streams of income.